classes. Like 280 points scored on all the teams all together.
Number 3 in North America.
Yep.
You killed everybody besides
Have you ever been to Ethan's house? You know that green, like, dragon trophy that he has? It has a bunch of bite marks in it. That's from his biting that shit. Pick it up! And he got his tackle back.
When he throws it, he holds it like this. So he has no way to fake his kick. It's just like, I'm kicking.
No, you know exactly what
He'll sell every time he gets it. I mean, I guess he can.
Sel tried to kill me.
Who?
Selden.
Selden?
Yeah. Look at his big ass with the scrum cap on.
Fucking cunt. Grab him like this.
I know. Dude, he hit me and I was like,
Run out, defense! Run out!
hey, check right, check right.
Back 10. Oh.
He was there before.
Not releasing. Not releasing.
Get lined up!
Wilson, go left, quick.
Go left, go left. Swing it!
Go, Jesse.
Keep him move.
Come back through.
Send it, Jamie.
Goose stepping.
Yeah, Jamie.
Justin, you gotta hit a goose step.
Yeah, Jamie!
Yeah.
Yeah,
You gotta hit a little goose step.
Woo!
Dude, I can't. Otherwise I would right now.
Look at that gut on Selden.
Dude, I know. He hit me and I was like, he hit me, dude, and I turned away from him. Like, as we hit, I turned completely away from him and moved my leg from him. I was like, what? Sel used to be big. I know he was that big.
Let's go, Scots. We're kicking. On the line. Hustle up. Come on now.
Jamie. Back right, back right.
Oh, yeah, deep right.
Watch over here.
Come on, together, let's do it.
All right. Hey, Scots. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3.
I wish they knew the plays right now. A bank would be perfect.
I know.
Oh my God.
God damn it.
A 2-3.
Well, it's a 2-3. It's a Pepsi call. It's our Pepsi call.
I mean, at least Drew knows that shit.
Crouch. All right. Set. There you go. Good job, Wilson.
Ooh.
Come on.
Rock over, Drew.
We'd have threw in right away after you.
Shit, that was forward.
Get low.
Go low!
Back 10, back 10!
Hit him. I'm going for someone.
I could get in for prop.
Only going for someone anyway. Yeah, going for prop.
Okay.
Jesse! Jesse!
That's what he gets. Poor fucking Pierce, man.
Yeah, poor fucking dude.
His dad's here, so he's covered. He's good. He's on the way.
Okay,
He can't get the jersey off, so we'll get it later.
Yeah, that's
Don't worry about it.
What happened?
Ripped his ear. It's halfway
Pierce
off.
has been showing up to practice too, so I'm actually.
Yeah, no, I'm not worried.
We're good.
Alex's wing.
Who'd you tell us
Go right.
Go, go, go!
Not there.
Yeah, it wasn't there.
Hold
He
on,
didn't
Dave.
call David.
Hands away now.
Nice.
There you go, ready?
Go, go, go! What you see?
Go left. In the middle.
Hold.
Right there. Right there.
So it's
Yeah, nice.
in the cones at 7?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Good run, buddy.
Oh, mercy.
That's pretty.
You coming off?
Van Bear.
Yeah.
Go in at front.
Unsafe tackle, schnackle.
Shit happens. Shit happens.
I really got to get that behind the strip tackle down. I always hit people in the
Get up there, Blue.
Right? It is. Oh, I
low, buddy.
Good
God.
hit.
Yeah.
I played against that dude in Vale. God, he was a tough beast.
Tall guy.
Yeah. Awesome muscle.
Tackle, Dave.
He looks kind of skinny.
Yeah, no, he was a big beast back
Hey, get
then.
outside, Blue.
Or stay offside.
Cole, come on.
Oh,
Shit.
well, it's not offside.
There you go, David.
Shit. He's got this.
Yep.
Oh, nice tackle, Fred. Short.
Oh, nice try,
It
Justin.
was a good try. It was a good time.
That was. Everything was. That was actually good on everybody. That was good.
You still got him by
Yeah, that's good work, Blue. Yeah, we're up
No, good tackle,
One
boys.
now, I think.
One conversion.
I have no fucking idea.
I think we're up by a conversion.
I don't know how the conversions work. It's just
you in the center.
You get an auto conversion. It's here in the center.
Yeah.
I didn't know what y'all meant. I was just listening to everyone say you guys.
Actually, go in that wing. You haven't been in this game, have you? Wilson!
Why is nobody playing on the other side? Nobody's been over
We're
there.
out of team this week.
Yeah, so a lot of teams are short. We're not playing.
They sent me like 3 schedules. They kept updating it, so I think
Oh.
somebody dropped out. There are water dogs here today? Maybe that's what
Yeah,
dropped
they're the
out.
new sweet-looking purple jerseys.
Oh, that's They finally got this bad news.
Woo! Go with him.
Support.
That's your ruck. That's your ruck. That's it. Good support.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
Pick it up, Jamie.
One coming. Man on.
Quick. No quick. Gotta go straight. Right by spectator.
I
Just any
didn't.
spectator.
I fucking played it.
Line out is
You're
here. No quick.
you're to the left, buddy.
Throw it down the
Yeah,
line.
right there.
Hey, let's get flat. Come on now.
You gotta be back 5, White. 5, make sure you're 5. White, make sure you're 5. There you go. That's 5. So
5 means 5.
Take him out, Bear.
Hello, boys.
Push up. Up.
Big man fall fast. Big man don't pass.
Take man.
Get low.
Hold that ball, Justin.
Take that
Wrap
pass
that
away.
ball.
Take that pass away. Get out, man bear. Get out, man bear.
Ball's out. Go low.
That's a high schooler.
Tackler.
Yeah, it's fucking grab his jersey.
There you
Good
go.
tackle, Bear. Ball's out. That's a knock. Where's the knock?
Oh. Shit.
Hey, yeah, that's a knock. That's fine.
Oh.